This is the PHP conditional or ternary operators. So PHP conditional operators or PHP conditional assignment operators or PHP ternary operators, or also the PHP null coalescing operators. So they are used to set a value depending on conditions. It's as simple as that. So they help you to set your values depending on if a condition is met or not. So the first one is ternary. So let's try the ternary operator. So let's create our PHP tag and let's set a variable x is equal to 10. I have a mistake there. Yeah, $sign. All right. So the first one is ternary. So let's do the ternary operator. Now, we can do something like, this is how it works. So we say echo, all right? So echo variable y is equal to, so first thing first is we need to test. We need to check if what we have up there is the same. So we'll do something like if variable x is equal to 10, okay, then it should say something. I am valid. Else, this is supposed to be a string. This feels wrong. So I will explain what has happened here. So the first thing is we are testing a condition. We should have this in the brackets. Okay. So if this condition here, if it is true, this first one after this question mark will be printed. If it is not true, then the next one after this colon will be printed. That is just as simple as it is. That is why it's ternary and it is fast. So let's check it. I am valid, and that is because x is actually equal to 10. What if we turn this to 11 here? You see, this feels wrong is printed out because variable x is not equal to 11. It is actually 10. So that is ternary. All right. So basically, just think of it as condition, question mark, and colon, like you have here. So expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. So the value of x is expression 2 if expression 1 is true, and the value of x is expression 3 if expression 1 is false. Then the next one is null coalescing. This one's return the value of x, that is, the value of x become expression 1 if expression 1 exists and is not null. But if expression 1 does not exist or is null, the value of x becomes expression 2. So let's see it. So I'll call this null coalescing, and let's do it. So let's echo z, variable z is equal to x, and if x does not exist, that variable does not exist. So what is happening here is z will echo out, z will become x, that is the value of z becomes x, that is 10, and if variable x does not exist anymore, it will print this out. So let me comment this first one out and let's run this. So you see z has become 10. What if I comment out this variable 10? You see z has become, that variable does not exist. So it's just a way to check if something does not exist, then you can assign another value to it as quickly as possible. That is what the null coalescing operator does. So guys, this is it on the PHP conditional operators, or the PHP conditional assignment operators, or the PHP ternary operators like we've shown here, or the PHP null coalescing operators. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.